In the small villages of long ago, and even in many places today, there was a moment every afternoon known by children as hungry. When the sun was still high but lunchtime felt like ancient history, bellies growled and imaginations ran wild. Hundreds of years back, children worked alongside their families in fields, workshops, or markets. Food was scarce and meals were few. Breakfast was early, dinner came late, and in between existed that dreaded gap, hungry time. During this hour, kids would search for fallen fruit under trees, sneak into the kitchen hoping for leftover bread, trade tiny snacks with friends, a nut here, a berry there, count minutes until their mother called them home to eat. Parents knew this time very well. They would laugh seeing children suddenly become very helpful fetching water, collecting firewood, or tending chickens, all hoping to earn a small bite of something tasty. In different cultures, hungry time had different names. Merendo in Italy, meriendo in Spain and Latin regions, chabela in Bengal, often served with puffed rice or biscuits. No matter where in the world kids lived, the feelings were the same. Stomachs empty, energy fading, eyes searching for food. Over generations, snacks and schools changed, but hungry time survived. Today, it still strikes like clockwork, usually between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., when children rush home and ask the universal question, is there anything to eat? The hungry time is more than just a moment. It's a global childhood memory, a tradition passed from one generation of hungry kids to the next.